Hello everyone. Today I have a short video to share about a Google Chrome extension. It's an extension in Google Chrome whose function is to convert images from this to text prompts like this. It has both text and JSON formats. Here is the JSON text and here is the paragraph text. We just convert from an image that we have from any website. Here I am using Pinterest, but you can convert images from other websites or from our screenshots. I copied this prompt and generated it, so we can see that it's about 70–80% similar, as shown here. We converted from this image into this image. Okay, the installation process is as follows. First, go to the three dots icon to go to the extension and then visit the Chrome Web Store. Next, you can search for the word prompt card. This orange one, prompt card image to prompt AI. And we can add it to Chrome. I've already added it. When you've added it, we can open the pin here at the puzzle icon. Go to this and then pin it to the top so it's easy to open. If you haven't pinned it yet, go there and pin it so it stays at the top. Okay, when you open the extension, it will ask you to sign in. So just sign in with Google as usual. At the top, there are two options, built-in service and custom API. So if you don't use Gemini or ChatGPT API, you can use this built-in service, but it costs credits. Each generation uses 1 credit. And if you run out of credits, you have to buy more. I think it's not expensive, like 120 credits for about $2 or $4. Check it out. As for me, I have a custom API. I use Gemini Pro, but you can use Gemini too. To get the API key, go to Google AI Studio. After clicking that, it will load this page. You can go to Get API Key and set it up. Since I am using my own API key, I can't show it here. If you don't know how to set it up, you can search for more videos on YouTube. It's not difficult. Just set it up, add your account or card, and you will get the API key. Copy it and paste it here. It doesn't cost any money when you create it. It's free. If you use this custom one, it's free forever as long as you have the API key. Okay, let's try it. I can't show this because it's personal. Just click the API key, copy it, and paste it here. Regarding the base URL, you can copy it like mine. For the model, I use Gemini 1.5 Flash. I'll put this in my description so you can easily copy it. Okay, after setting it up, it'll show you how to use it. For example, let's say I have this image of a kitchen countertop. Just right-click and select Analyze Image with Prompt Card. It will analyze it for us. Since I'm using a custom API, it doesn't have a limit or cost credits. Wait a bit, and you can generate it in ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, or Google AI Studio. I'll use Gemini. I'll open a new chat. It's done. It has the modern minimalist style. There are two types, normal and JSON. I prefer JSON because it's more accurate. Just click copy, then paste it and change it back to create image. I will compare the normal and JSON versions to see how they differ. Let's try it and see how similar they are. Okay, it added some people because the prompt was set that way. If you don't want people, you can adjust the prompt a bit and remove them. But if we look at the materials and the lights, they are very similar, including the style. It uses stainless steel at the bottom and small tiles. It looks very similar. Okay, let's try the normal prompt. As I mentioned, it just analyzes the image and gives a prompt. You'll need to adjust other things yourself. It's about 70–80% similar. As I said at the beginning, it can't be 100%. This one is quite similar, though the bottom part is a bit different, but the counter and ceiling style are very similar. That's all for this video. If you want more tips, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.